Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jen. This is just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. We are back in my loft today, and you guys, today we are talking about my designer perfume collection. It is a really small collection, let's be honest. And we have a little something that I am adding to the collection. If you like fragrance videos, you are in the right place. You guys, I make a lot of fragrance content. Everything from Bath and Body Works and hygiene and body care to designer perfumes like today's video, to even affordable perfumes, as well as some of the amazing and viral like Arabian fragrance companies that have started going ahead and piquing my interest. If you like fragrance videos, please hit subscribe, give me a big thumbs up on this video, leave me a comment down below, and let's jump right on into today's video. Hi guys, so I am so excited about today's video, you guys. I am so thrilled. So today I want to share with you guys my little collection I have of designer fragrances. And it's surprising how many like stories are really behind my perfume collection. And that's one of the things that I really love about slowly collecting perfume, you guys, because scent is so important to us, and it really locks in to your memories of a certain event, a certain person, or a certain feeling that you had when you were growing up. I don't know. I just love how fragrance really builds a story. And these are some of the stories that are in my collection, you guys. So I am going to start off with the two fragrances that have probably been in my collection for several years now. My mom had gotten these for me, and that's one reason why they are so important to me. She got these at Dillard's when she was on a vacation to come and see us. This one is the original Perfect by Marc Jacobs. I love this scent. I love how it's so perfect for kind of who I am. And because it's not just, you know, my mom got it for me, it's also the notes in here too. I realize that I really tend to gravitate towards like florals sometimes, mostly in the spring, but this is such a beautiful scent. It is such a stunning scent that really encapsulates who I am as a person. It's like just a mix that is so well blended and unexpected. It is such an easy wear, as you guys can tell. I mean, I have like half a bottle of this left. When I finish this, I will probably repurchase another because of the stories behind it. It means something to me, guys. Another one that my mom had gotten, this has a little bit less of a dent, but she got this one in a gift pack for me, and this is the Daisy by Marc Jacobs, and this is the Oh So Fresh. One of my favorite fragrances growing up, you guys. I loved going into the store and seeing the Daisy caps, and I loved the original Daisy so much. I never owned a bottle of it. I really need a bottle of it. But I loved this one when it came out, and while my mom was on vacation, we always went shopping, guys. So she had gotten some like fragrance like gift bundles, and she got the Marc Jacobs and the Daisy for me. So I love them. And that's what it means to me, guys, is when those fragrances really just mean something so much to you. So this is probably one of the oldest ones, guys, in my collection as well. This is my bottle of Clinique Happy. I still love this, guys, so much. I am almost done with it. And when I'm done with it, I'm definitely going to repurchase this again. I love the citrus in here. It lasts a fairly long time for me, and this is the Eau de Parfum. It lasts a fairly long time. It's really, really pretty, and it's so gorgeous even in the high heat of the summer. So I do have Clinique Happy. I kind of feel like it's such a staple, guys. I have always, it seems, had a bottle of Clinique Happy, either a small one, a travel, this giant one. I feel like I've always had one in my collection. If you guys love this scent, can you leave me a comment down below and give me, I don't know, one of your memories that you have with Clinique Happy, but it's just such a really pretty, like, everyday scent. Moving on, you guys. So when I worked at Dillard's years ago, I got this on like an incredible discount. This is a flanker of La Belle from Lancome, which is one of my favorite, like, I don't know, cosmetic designer houses, guys. I love Lancome. And this has a rose touch to it, and it is so stunning. It's just girly and beautiful. I don't tend to wear it a lot, but I do love it. My mom absolutely loves rose, and she tends to wear this anytime she's like upstairs. She tends to like gravitate towards this bottle, but really, really beautiful. I love this one. Moving right along, guys. Let me see what is next. So I have, this is Beautiful Magnolia by Estee Lauder. Again, another really beautiful spring scent. I love the floral in this. I haven't used, obviously, very much of it, but it's really pretty. It's perfect for this time of year. And I know that, like, this is one of those fragrances, guys, that, like, everyone gravitates towards, like, with wedding season, but I love it. I love it. This is probably the second bottle that I have had of this Coach fragrance. Rob had gotten me my first one. It's again, and it has like this, like, it just feels pink. It's the only way that I can describe it, guys. It feels pink. But it's a floral, it's fresh, it's beautiful for spring. But again, that's our second bottle of that one. One that I got last year, as you guys know, I fell in love with this. This is the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid. And I had to get this when this came out. It was such a stunning, stunning fragrance. I loved all the vanilla notes in here. There's so many different vanilla ones. And it's one where I think it like came out, guys, towards fall. And it was stunning in the fall, but it's even pretty like around now, which is, you know, springtime. But I love the bottle. I loved the packaging. I don't have any of the other ones, and I kind of feel like I need them. Now, my two winter scents that I had gotten, the first one we're gonna do is this one. This is a giant bottle of Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. The color has even turned on this one. It's probably one of the strongest fragrances in my collection. Really stunning. I only tend to wear this more on like date night in the winter though. But I'd love to know if you wear this or if it's like your signature scent and if you keep reaching for this one. But another one that I had gotten, I got this one like last year. This is the Black Opium by YSL. And this is the La Parfum, I believe. This is the one that's like a ton of different vanillas. Last year, guys, I was definitely in my vanilla kick and I wanted like every fragrance under the sun that had vanilla, and I got this one for winter. And I feel like I've used quite a bit of it already. But it's probably my favorite, guys, my favorite flanker out of the Black Opium ones. I love that one. Now, my all-time favorite story, guys, and favorite perfume happens to be Chanel No. 5. This, guys, is the Eau de Parfum. It is strong. It is beautiful. It's what I wore at my wedding. When I was a little girl, I always imagined wearing Chanel No. 5 to my wedding. It was something that, I mean, I grew up, guys, in the era of being like completely madly in love with all of the Audrey Hepburn movies. And this, like, I don't know, guys, what it was, but it just felt classic. And at my wedding, I wanted a scent that was going to be really, really classic. So this is not my original bottle from my wedding, guys. I mean, that took years and years and years to go through. But this is the perfume that I got on my birthday, I think. But Chanel No. 5. I know it's so polarizing and so many people are just like, no, what? Are you serious? But I absolutely love it, guys. I love it. It is one of my most treasured perfumes. So today, guys, I am actually in partnership with FragranceNET.com, guys. So they are an authentic retailer online, guys. They actually even have a store in New York of perfumes. They're authentic. They're absolutely amazing. And they decided that they would love to work with me. And you guys, they sent me a perfume. And I am so grateful and so thankful for that. I will have a code. I'll put it across the screen. They were gracious enough to give you guys a 35% off code for their website. And I'll have it as well as in the description box. But I was so excited when they offered to send me a perfume that I decided I was going to finally get a bottle of, guys, Alien Goddess. As you know, last year I went through the travel size. I still have this because you can refill these. I still have this. Rob, you really need to refill this for me, guy. But it was such a stunning fragrance. Absolutely gorgeous. I completely loved it in the spring and all summer. And I think like I went through this, guys, in like, what, a month and a half, 2 months. And then I went through an entire 10 mil. And it usually even takes me so long, like years, to go through even a travel spray. But I loved it so much. So they sent it to me. Let's go ahead and open it up. I am so excited, you guys. But look, and then not only, guys, did they send me Alien Goddess, but y'all, they sent me the big bottle. The huge bottle. Look at this, guys. I'm so excited. So this is the 3 fluid ounce. This is the 90 mil. It is Alien Goddess by Mugler. It is one of my like all-time favorite perfumes for, you guys, you know, spring and summer. But I was so excited to finally be able to unbox this with you guys. Look. Okay, guys. So, I mean, it's all authentic. I'm so thrilled with this. Having this finally in my collection of designer perfumes is thrilling for me. I am super excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. And let's take this out. Look how stunning that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do we do? Okay. It's so good. It's so good. It is so good, guys. It is so good. This is stunning. I will have the notes either across the screen or in the description box. But thank you, FragranceNET.com. This is amazing. Amazing. This is such a gorgeous scent. I know that I am going to absolutely be just wearing this constantly, guys, constantly. Because you guys know like how quickly I went through mine. But I love the atomizer on this. This is stunning. And like I said, guys, FragranceNET.com did send this to me over for free for review. I'm very, very honored and very excited. And they did want to go ahead and give you guys a 35% off coupon, which is absolutely amazing. They have incredible fragrances, guys. Everything from designer fragrances to niche perfumes, guys, like niche perfumes, as well as some of the amazing viral like Arabian perfumes.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.